Seth, stay with us for the World Coming Your Way next. Hi, I'm Susan Giles. We're on Tech here with Mark Schreiner. It's our year-end campaign, and this is going to be a quick one. I'm going to tell you because already you have helped us raise $78,000. Our goal, $135,000, just $56,000 to go, and this campaign is over, and we head into 2016 strong and healthy, thanks to you.
Susan, 78,000, but didn't we just start yesterday morning?
Yes, we did.
Amazing job, everyone. But again, we're not done yet. And we got this opportunity. If you've never given before, listen to me right now. You ready? If you've never given before, Claude and Lydia Melly will match your gift dollar for dollar. So that's dollar for dollar up to $5,000. You're a first-time giver, and you've been meaning to give. You've been paying off. Now is the perfect time. You give $10 a month. That gift will have a $240 impact. You give $100 a month as a Cornerstone member. That gift will have a $2,400 impact. Amazing. But we need you to do this right now. We have about another 45
Police Department is strongly opposed, as WGBH's Tina Martin explains.
Northeastern University campus police now carry tactical rifles, something Boston Police Commissioner Bill Evans says is ridiculous.
Obviously, I don't think they're necessary. You know, we can be into those campuses within 5 or 6 minutes. We're highly trained.
But Northeastern University Police Chief Michael Davis says 5 or 6 minutes may be too late.
My primary concern is what are we doing to make sure we're prepared? The fact of the matter is that we can respond